Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your animation file is baked and compatible. Export as FBX or Alembic with transforms baked so every key is explicit. Once done, confirm the frame range and frame rate match your Houdini scene to avoid retiming. Now open Houdini and create a new geometry node, then delete default file nodes so you start clean. This step prevents mismatched roots and scale issues later. Doing it now saves time when you import and inspect geometry. You import the file using the file SOP for Alembic or the appropriate FBX import workflow. Point the node to your exported file and enable load geometry and transform. Next, if you need retiming or blending, route animation into Chop and apply a timeshift or export channels back to the geometry so Houdini reads the exact curves you want. Make sure packed primitives unpack if you need per vertex animation, and inspect normals and transforms. This prevents shading or deformation surprises later on. You finalize by converting the imported geometry into packed or unpacked forms depending on whether you'll simulate or render. Packed for efficiency, unpacked for deformation edits. Once set, cache the result to disk with the file cache SOP and play through the full frame range to validate timing and motion. If something goes wrong, joints misaligned or animation offset, make sure to check import scale, axis orientation, and bone naming conventions. Mismatches, there are the usual culprits and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.